Tata as a brand is synonym to trust. They have far exceeded my expectations and delivered an exceptional service. Hi, I am Vipul Rajesh Sharma. I am here to share my pleasant experience with Tata AIG. On 27 December late night, I was coming home from office. I was taking a U-turn on a familiar route, focusing on the oncoming traffic from the opposite side. Unfortunately, I misjudged the turn a bit, and while my speed was slow, my car's left side scraped against the safety wall. Next morning, I found my insurance policy and contacted Tata AIG. I spoke to their representative and explained him the entire incident. I was given an option to take my car to an approved cashless service center or to a center of my choice. At the service center, I was told that Tata AIG would complete the inspection and let me know of the entire claim process. Once the inspection was completed, Tata AIG kept me informed of entire process. This includes the claim approval, which came within 24 hours of me dropping my car. Tata AIG had taken care of the rest. This meant I did not have to go through the bill payment and the reimbursement hassle. This entire experience truly impressed me. Tata AIG's promptness, clear communication, the entire claim handling process, especially when I felt low, has touched me deeply. I'll recommend everyone to put their trust in Tata AIG Motor Insurance.